let's talk about PMD Personal Microderm. It's a device that uses vacuum suction to increase circulation and boost collagen and elastin, while the spinning disc exfoliates the surface of your skin. It comes with different discs so you can customize your intensity of exfoliation. The white disc is for ultra-sensitive skin or those just learning to use the device. The gray discs are for delicate or sensitive skin and give light exfoliation. The blue discs are also for sensitive skin, but they're also a step up if you've done a few treatments with the gray disc. The green discs are for normal skin that isn't sensitive. The orange discs give a higher level exfoliation and are meant to be used only once a week. The red discs are for normal or very coarse skin and are meant for those that have used the device for a while. The black discs are for body exfoliation only, specifically for the hands and feet. And the yellow disc is for the highest level exfoliation for the body and is meant for die-hard users who have had this device for a while. You'll notice the discs come in two different sizes. The smaller ones are for the face and the larger ones are for the body.